Yeah, this is unboxing of a new ninth generation iPad from Apple. I've got it through Amazon. Yeah, this is iPad ninth generation box. You can see the Apple logo, and I just got this within 3 days. You can see all the details here. You can pause and check out the details. Rate the cost is written as 30,900. But yeah, see, this is the Amazon bill. 2021 Apple 10.2 inch, 30,900. I got it for 27,000. This is the space gray, designed by Apple in California. Here we can check out a few things which is in the inside the box. You can see the 20 watts iPad charger, and this is the lightning cable. Yeah, see, this is 3 watts iPad charger. This you can use it for iPhones also, which supports fast charging. iPhone XR and above. I think here a few Apple logos for marketing. Here for few instruction manuals. Yeah, we'll keep it aside, and now we'll look into iPad. We'll quickly unwrap. We can see the color of a space gray. Yeah, beautiful. It's beautiful to hold. This is the awesome product of Apple. Yeah, see, space gray. Most famous Touch ID. This is the last generation which is having a Touch ID in this iPad. You can see buttons. You can see how sleek and light it is, and the camera. You can see the camera and the power button. Yeah, these are the two volume buttons. See how very light. And this is the port for which you can connect the Bluetooth keyboard. Let us switch on the iPad. Here it comes, the Apple logo. Yeah, finally it started. Takes, I think, 5 to 6 seconds. That's it. So, hello in all the language. Hola. Yeah, let us start it. Press home to open. Let us select the language. Let us select the country of origin. This is from India, so I'll select India. You can select whichever country you are in. Okay, so now it will ask for all the setups. Usually I'm thinking I'll set up all in the later stage. So let me connect to the Wi-Fi. Yeah, I've already connected it. Let me enter password. Yeah, it's getting connected. Takes 1 to 3 seconds. Yes, here it is. Okay, so now it is activating the iPad. All these the settings I'll set up later, like Touch ID, Siri, everything. It's just in unboxing and the first impression. I'll create the passcode also, like simple 123456, and change it later. Okay, let me set up as a new iPad. And if you want to set up as a secondary or anything you want to transfer from Apple ID or anything, if you have previous Apple ID, then you can transfer all the data, photos, contacts, everything. If you want to set up as a new iPad, then you can do it like this. Agree for terms and conditions. Agree. Okay, disable location service. As of now, I'm not gonna activate anything. Let me set up as Siri also. Later, analytics later. Appearances okay. Welcome to iPad. Yeah, this is the first look of an iPad, 9th generation, 10.2 inch. You can see the pre-installed apps over there, and let me show you the capacity. So you can see 15.3.1 is the updated version, iPad 9th generation, and the capacity you can see there is 64 and available is 50.75. Okay, so this is all about new iPad unboxing. It looks awesome. It looks awesome. So I got it 3,000 off. So I got it for 27,000. Okay. This is the new iPad. Hope you all liked it. Please like it and subscribe and comment if you want to say anything.